Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Gupta, Senior Pediatrician and Childcare Expert. Today I am going to talk about one very important issue, that is how to take care of preterm babies at home. So first of all, who is a preterm baby? Usually we say that when mother is pregnant up to 37 weeks, the baby resides in the womb, that is a term baby. So after your baby is born after 37 weeks, that is a term baby, and in that case baby has all the organs matured in the mother's abdomen only, in the uterus only the baby's all organs have matured, and that is a very safe baby. Whereas if the baby is born before 36 weeks, that is called preterm baby. So that baby, what happens is, depending on the amount of prematurity, that is if the baby is born at 37 weeks compared to 32 weeks, both will be called premature, but 32 weeks baby will be more vulnerable and their organs will not be that much developed, so they will have multiple issues, or they are likely to have multiple issues. But the good thing is, with the improvement in the quality of the care in NICUs, all these preterm babies can be taken care of and all their issues can be addressed in a proper way to make them normal, so they can have a absolutely normal life and absolutely normal growth and catch up growth also. So that is what is I am going to talk about today. So preterm baby, like I said, 37 week or less than 37 week baby is a preterm baby. So what are the common causes of preterm baby? So preterm baby, there are multiple causes. Mainly if the mother is having any pre-existing disease like diabetes, kidney disease, liver disease, or pregnancy induced hypertension or eclampsia, sometimes preterm birth happens. In case of twin babies also preterm delivery can happen, because the abdomen is, two babies are growing, means sometimes the abdomen is grown so much that it induces labor early. So that is one important thing. Another medical issue which can cause to preterm delivery is premature rupture of membrane. What happens is, in the uterus baby is actually in a sac, and that sac is filled with water. So sometimes that sac ruptures and the water comes out, which we call premature rupture of membrane. In that case, the child is at risk of infection, and the obstetrician, the doctor who takes care of the mother, decides to terminate the pregnancy a little early than actual expected date of delivery. Apart from this, these days what happens is, lot of stress is there in people's life, and these stress and smoking or bad habits like alcohol drinking, this can cause preterm delivery also. So now, what are the main problems with the preterm baby? One of the most common problem with the preterm baby is hypothermia. So baby can become cold. Preterm babies have very thin skin layer, so they are very vulnerable to becoming cold, and that cold can cause many issues in them. So that's why you should ensure when you are bringing a preterm baby, you have the room temperature at 26 to 28 degrees centigrade, which is very important. So in winter you may use a warmer to keep the room temperature appropriate, and also you should use proper clothing to ensure that the child is well covered. Except for the face, you can cover the whole body with multiple layers of clothes. Even woolen clothes should be used in the winter season to prevent heat loss from the body and keep the baby warm. That is very important. Next is, preterm babies are very vulnerable to hypoglycemia, because their body's glucose store is less, so they can become hypoglycemic. So that is why it is very important to do frequent feeding in preterm babies. So every 2 to 3 hours you should do breastfeeding for preterm babies. Apart from that, preterm babies' immune system, the capacity to fight disease is very premature and it is not strong, so babies can develop infections. So what is important is, whenever you handle a preterm baby, a premature baby, you should wash your hands, and the caregivers, apart from mother, only one other person should actually touch the baby. Whomsoever touches the baby should wash hand, and many people should not come, many family members should not come and touch the baby, because that increases the incidence of infection, and these children are very vulnerable to infection. They can have life-threatening problems if they get infection. So it is better to allow only less number of people to touch the baby. Apart from that, they can develop jaundice. So if the preterm baby develops jaundice, you should take consultation with your doctor, pediatrician or neonatologist, and do adequate phototherapy and get it treated as fast as possible. Apart from that, one more problem which happens in preterm baby is the heart. When it actually baby comes out of the womb, mother's body, the heart has small holes. Those closes within 1 week, but sometimes in preterm babies these holes remain open. So you have to be careful, and your pediatrician should do some screening tests to find out that holes like PDA are closed or not. Apart from that, it is seen that babies who are born lesser than 34 weeks sometimes have lungs which are not matured well, well and not strong enough to breathe, so they may require sometimes shorter or longer stay in NICUs and oxygen support to breathe well. So that is one important thing. Sometimes surfactant therapy also is required. There are a lot of things which are intricate to preterm care which cannot be told in one session. So if you have doubts or any questions regarding preterm care, do comment on this video's comment section and I'll try to reply to question. Thank you for watching our video.